last day, of course, of September this year. We have Pohtolankatu. Yes, building 21, Stickis B. We just painted the Stickis A here. And this is also in Lintulampi, one of the suburbs of Tampere. And it's not far from Lintulampi. And Niemen towards which the Tampere right to line is being extended to. And it was also built in early 1997 with Otis 1000 fixtures. Serial number SB 1E2212, it's turning 25 years old in the next year, 2022. It will be inspected in 2023. Capacity is 4 persons, 25 grams. This is not that good because it's too slow.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's nice, but this slow speed really it doesn't make it that great.
Yeah.
But it's still worth one ride.
Yeah. Tässä on skettiä Tampereen Ollineen auki.
Yeah.
Tippaakin vaikuttaa, että maintained about is on described this.
Mm-hmm. That's it, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to 25 steps and we can check it.
That's